Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Pastor Wes here with us this morning, and he's coming all the way down here from Crosby, Texas, and he pastors at which church?
Redemption Church.
Redemption Church in Crosby, Texas. So if you're in Crosby, go to Redemption Church. It's an Assembly of God affiliation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what Renee and I are.
Nice.
Okay, I'm going to have you close your eyes for us now, Pastor Wes, and flex your head forward and backwards, and then back to neutral. Yep. See, his head's a little forward. He does have the forward head posture. You can see his ears dropping way out here in front of his clavicle. It should be back here over his shoulders. And when looking at him from the front, you can see his head's turned to the right, so he's a side sleeper. And he's rotated that way, and his thoracic spine and pelvis as well. Now, I've already done his orthopedic neurological evaluation, so I'm not going to redo that, but I am going to go ahead and start adjusting on the BioPhysics table first. Let's lay you on your tummy again. His orthopedic tests all checked out, 5 by 5. His right leg is short by about 1/4 of an inch in the prone position, and when I bring it up, it actually gets longer, and that tightens up in his low back, pelvis, and thighs. His right SI joint is out right there. He's got L5 out right there, L4 right there, and L3 right there. These are all sore. So I'm going to start off by adjusting his right SI joint. That's it. There we go. Yeah, our crack acts are gonna love you. Something you don't hear with the pastor most of the time. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. Now, as I was evaluating Wes's mid-thoracic spine, I asked him if he ever had acid reflux, and his answer was yes. So I'm actually going to adjust his rib cage for him as well. Let's slide down about an inch. You can put your arms out like this, and then I'm going to pull his stomach down. He came in for neck and back pain, but if I could help your body function at a higher level of function and help you with your acid reflux, would that be beneficial to you?
Well, absolutely.
Okay. This side's down a little lower. Pull it up. Good. Okay. Now just put your hands right here for a sec. There you go. Take a real deep breath in. Exhale for me. There we go. Okay. Nice deep breath again. Exhale through your mouth. There we go. It's a little tender down there, isn't it? Yep. And one more time. And exhale. There we go. Good job. Okay, now just relax. Let your leg relax right here in my hand. You're going to let this go. There you go. Now you should have felt that in your knee all the way up into your lower back.
Sure did.
Good. Let this one go limp too. Yes, sir. Good job. Okay, let's sit you up. Face that way. Just let your shoulders relax. There we go. Now I did the test on him where I did the cervical distraction, and that felt better to him. So he hasn't had any significant trauma or accidents that would, or vascular issues that would prevent me from doing the spinal decompression on him. So I'm going to go ahead and do that next. What y'all come to love and know is the ring dinger. Alright, let's come over here on this table now with. I'm going to have you lay with your pelvis right here and head up that way, please, sir. There we go. Okay. Slide down just a little bit right there. This is going to feel really tight. There we go. Just let your legs bend and relax naturally. Now this is how you should start sleeping. Everybody hears me say that all the time and doesn't believe that people actually sleep like this, but they do. And the ones who do actually get well quicker. No pillow. Yeah, everybody frowns when I say that. Okay, nice deep breath through your nose. Oh yeah. I don't have to ask if that went all the way down.
Wow.
Yes, sir. That's a wow adjustment. And you're still kicking. Okay, drop your head in my hands like you're sleeping. Perfect. Oh, yeah. Yep. You need to get in here too, Christy. Christy's a massage therapist. So she's been working on his muscles and ligaments for us in the meantime, helping him. Okay, but sometimes people need a little bit more than just massage. They need their spine biomechanically realigned as well. And that's what chiropractors do. But chiropractors and massage therapists work really well together. Let's have you flex your hip forward and backwards for me. That should have felt a little smoother already.
Yes, sir.
You should feel a little lighter right now too. Here's your homework. You're going to pull your shoulders up and back. Those like that. Okay, now, I want you to try that very same thing again, Pastor Wendt, and tell me if this feels any smoother to you than the previous ones. Should feel like I put a little WD-40 in there.
Sure did.
See how his head came up and back more? Yep, you should feel lighter right now.
I do. Yes, sir.
So would you share with our YouTube audience how your very first adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief was? Because you've had other adjustments before.
I have, yes. It's pretty amazing. All chiropractors are not created equal, that's for sure. This was amazing.
And you watched this on YouTube for how long before you decided to come in?
Well, for at least a couple of years.
Oh my lands, you waited a long time.
I did wait a long time, but I thought that you were unreachable. But, but here I am.
There you go. Well, thank you for sharing your experience with everyone, and God bless you for what you do.
Thank you.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And we'll see y'all soon.